Did he actually hit it?
Oh yeah.
Smacked it?
Oh, it smacked it. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, there it is. There it is. Came back. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a buck and outrageous day. So today, we're sure walleye jigging. Fish! 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 Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm just making it down the shoreline right now. We've been having some tough times. Muddy waters, crazy winds, like mud this, mud that, wind this, wind that, and Lake St. Clair was just a big pile of doo-doo. But right now, I'm in. I seen a satellite image yesterday and it looked like Lake St. Clair was super cleaning. And it's starting to push all that dirt out right through the Detroit River. And the Detroit River is gonna be clean very soon. If not, it might even be today, because right now, I can't really tell, but it looks so much bluer than it was like yesterday. And there was a mud line yesterday, maybe like a third of the way. Now, I was gonna wait till the sun comes up and we're just gonna check it out. But man, we made a few new colors and stuff like that. LSC protackles got them. I made a Jerber glow. No, I made a G-Baby glow, which is a gold back with the chartreuse belly, but it's super glows. For all you nighttime fishermen, you know, you guys are getting a night episode from one day. Watch, it's gonna be dope. And then we made a super pimp. And super pimp is like a pimp daddy's daddy. Anyways, we'll have to show you guys that. We're gonna try fishing today. Hopefully we get our first one. I have not caught a walleye yet. A few people have. I know there's like 10 maybe on shore on the Canadian side, but nothing for me. So wish me luck. Let's just land one. All right, I take this Jerber off. Sorry, Jerber. I love you. You're a super nice color. But I really gotta try this. There you guys go. There's the super pimp. Almost like the roll, but just a little more enhanced. Check that, guys. We'll pull that out of the pack. Yeah. Right there. You know, the purple with the chartreuse belly and then the emerald flake in between. Oh man, what a beauty bait. That right there is the super pimp. The pimp daddy's daddy. Hopefully we crush it with this. I know the people will be crushing with these. You know, like I said, it just catches the eye. You make some fire colors, people want just to try them out. So let's find out what the clarity is like right now. We got a few people on shore. It's beautiful, beautiful this morning, guys. Look, you guys got the sunrise right there. We got like the nice skyscrapers across. Man, they got some new buildings over there. We're gonna see that new waterfront tower right there that's gonna reflect and turn gray and blue. They got all kinds of buildings over there. Detroit's on the boom, man. That shit looks beautiful as hell. But this is what we live for. All right, water clarity, guys. Let's get this in there. Oh my God, at least 18 inches. Yeah. 18 inches, bros. This is gonna be good today. This is gonna be good today, man. So we got 18-inch visibility. This is Good Friday right now. And happy Easter, guys. Hope you guys have a blessed Easter weekend. Hope you guys catch a lot of fish. If you guys decide to get out there, be safe. And I'm wishing you a bountiful year. Catch that 10-pound walleye. What do you guys think about goals and stuff like that? What is your trophy fish for a walleye? Like, what would you consider like a 50-inch muskie for a walleye? Me, 30-incher or 10-pound? You break that barrier, you are a master angler trophy walleye fisherman to me. I know a master angler in Canada is 28 inches. But if you break that 30, it's just an immense fish. It's monstrous, especially from the Detroit River. You get some huge ones out of here. But hopefully we get our first one. There's probably a ton of people fishing over there. I can't really see yet. I gotta get a pair of binoculars, or maybe like a DSLR with a nice lens that we can look at the people over there. Post them on video here and say hi. But man, beautiful morning. We got the pinks, the blues, the oranges. Oh, we just need the fish now. Fish! 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 Yes! Yes! Wow! My first one of the season, hopefully it comes in. I just hit the bottom there. I was trying to find the bottom.
I got a hit, but it's
yeah. What is this, second cast?
Oh,
right? Second cast. Here's my first walleye, guys. Not a big one, but... Oh no! On the board!
okay.
Thank you!
Good, good.
Oh! Yeah, 2 cast!
Lucky day, huh?
Right, 2 cast, that was it! Alright! Alright! Oh my god. Oh, guys.
Oh,
Yeah. My first walleye of the season. 1. All right, let's work on the limit now. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Let me wash this for you. Thank you. I got lucky.
yeah, they're here.
Yo, they're here for sure. They're here for sure, man. Oh, woo! First one, guys. That felt so good. I worked so hard this year. I came out like at least like 15, 16 times for like 3 or 4 hours. Holy smokes. All I had to do was just use the new color. All right, let's get the second fish. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys see the beamer light between the building? The reflection, that's pretty cool, eh? Look at that, that's nice. You don't get to see that often. Wow. So what do you guys think about the new Gordie Howe Bridge over there? You actually see the peak right there. I mean, you can almost see it anywhere from our city. It's so huge. I don't know how high the middle of the base is. Like, is it the same height as the Detroit Ambassador Bridge? Don't know. But I know the pillars are taller. Those pillars are like skyscrapers. I mean, I think that bridge looks fascinating. We actually did the curtain walls for that job there. So it was actually pretty cool to be a part of the Gordie Howe Bridge. You know, like I said, in my lifetime, you're not gonna find another structure that expensive. You know, you had to build 2 highways. You had to pretty much redecorate Windsor just to get to that bridge. And then you got to do the bridge. So, like I said, billions. I'm never gonna see something like that again. But pretty cool to be a part of it. All right, guys. So I gotta catch 1 more, just so it's not a fluke. I don't want to say it's lucky to only get 1. I want to get 2. 2 is for sure. They're here, right, guys?
Yeah, 1 is just lucky.
1 is just lucky. But if you could get 2 one day, okay. The motivation goes up big time. My rod will have an erection. Come on, guys, one more. That's why I hooks at everything. If I feel anything, I don't care. If I feel anything, I just hooks at it. I don't care, just in case. It's worth it to lose 1 jig. Now I gotta check my hook just in case. Okay, no scale. Because earlier I got a bite, and all right.
Small fish.
Yeah, small fish. Look at my fish in the pail. Small.
Perch.
Yeah, jumbo perch.
Just a few look up in the stock.
Yeah. Should just, hey, hi, Chad. Yeah, you should just killed it. Remember, hey, the hook set is free.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No charge.
Yeah, no charge, man. Just go for it.
But sometimes you're stuck there.
Yeah, who can, oh well. Don't worry, I know a person that has jigs.
You cassette or whatever you like.
Yeah. That's why I like fishing over here, because the camaraderie.
30-year-old kid. Older than your kid. Yeah. Did he actually hit it?
Oh yeah.
Smack it?
Oh, it smacked it. Oh! Did you see that? Did you see that?
Fish coming.
Oh! There it is. There it is. Came back. Yeah, I needed that.
This okay to use?
Yeah, this is mine. You
Are you sure? Thank you.
Second fish on the day. I just missed one and then it came back.
Little male.
Yeah, nice little male. Yay! Yay! Thank you. Oh, you took my bait too and everything. Thank you, sir. Oh, awesome. Hey! Second fish of the day, guys. Right there. That was on the Super Pimp. Beautiful, beautiful day. Nice males. That's what the one you want to keep right there. I'm going to be throwing these females back when I actually... Oh, you got it. Okay, you got me. You got me. I was going to get the net. But if I get some nice big females, I'll be throwing them back and just keeping the males. But Super Pimp, guys. Super Pimp.
Oh, I got a snack.
Hey, don't worry. Hook sets are free. Like I said, it could have been a big fish.
I didn't.
What if it's a big fish?
That's a card of the heck.
Same one I got. Twice.
That's a difficult snag, man.
Just a drift on the snack. Oh, I got bolts.
That's the problem, yeah.
Okay, that's no weight.
You G, and then you feel it, and then you feel the bottom, and then you get the...
Oh, yeah! It's the color. It's a little one. Don't worry, don't worry. I got both flip this one. Yay! See, yo, earlier when I felt all those bites, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Oh. That's like what, 12 inches?
Baby fish.
13 inches.
Yeah.
13 inches, guys. I don't know. Yeah, that's meat. Actually, I'm letting it go. 13 inches. Go back. Go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it grow. Yeah. So, guys, so far, Super Pimp has been crushing it. Just crushing it, guys. Woo! That's 3 fish on the day so far. 3rd time's a charm. Steve? Steve? Okay. All right.
First cast with the black and silver.
Nice.
Use this net if you want.
Oh, shoot. Thank you, sir. Damn, you got the ultimate net just like me. Woo. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a good one. Oh, it's bigger than mine. Bigger than mine.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Anytime. There you go, brother.
Ooh, I'm on board with you now, bro.
Yeah.
I missed one too.
Oh, bro, right off the lip. Look at that. Oh yeah, right straight off the lip there. Awesome. All right, I gotta get back in. Ooh! Fish is coming. Hi, Levi. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Hi, Levi. Hi, good boy. Hi, good boy, Levi. Oh, boy. Hi, boy. How are you? How are you, Levi? Good boy. So, guys, Levi's back with us. 2024. Levi, Detroit River Walleye mascot. What's up, Romeo?
Where's all the fish?
I got 3 today.
3.
3. Well, I threw one back because it was tiny.
3.
Yeah, it's in the pail. Like 2 in the pail, one in the water. Something though. Something for sure.
That is close to that. That was Levi protecting his turf.
There we go.
Far away.
Number 4. That's when it feels like it's better. That's when it feels like it's better. Right in the chin. Thank you, Romeo. It's a bigger fish.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Oh,
Got enough to feed 2 now.
yeah. Good Friday for sure.
It's a female.
Yeah, it's female for sure. Thank you, Romeo. Woo. Alright, guys. So that's my 4th fish of the day. Yeah, that was a far one. I only had 2 pounds. 4? Seriously? Cool. There you go. That's a female there. Well, probably about 3 pounds though. Still a nice fish though. Oh yeah.
Weigh that thing. I'd say 2.
Yeah, maybe 2.5. Yeah. But right there, guys. On that super pimp. This thing's been hot today. Woo! Yeah, super pimp, bro. New color, man. New color. She's hot. She's hot.
它这是个假链儿。蚯蚓。人家不认这玩意儿。现在哪儿的？掉。掉大。这么大前面都没有。带个船掉的。
Oh my god.
来了。
So guys, this is number 5. But it's going to be a 4th keeper. I felt that pop. That was a nice one.
Oh, this is far away.
Yeah, and when it hit 2 jigs, it hit the bottom, and I felt boom. Number 5. But number 4 as a keeper. I still have room. Still one bait. Thank you, Hai-chan. So you guys are still using that super pimp right now. Really putting in the time today though. It's been off and on. It's not really a heavy bite. Been here for a few hours already.
Bite hard?
Oh yeah. It bit very hard. Yeah, this one popped it. There we go. Another one in the day there. Nice little eater, but can't complain. For a good Friday, at least I got a good meal going home with it. So I need 2 more for a limit on the day. 1 more to say I caught 6, but 2 more as a keep. I felt that it went down, 2 bounce, doom, boom. Yeah.
Already see your bait.
Yeah, 2 bounce, boom. Thank you, Hai-chan. All right, let's get back in there.
Fish.
Yeah? Fish! Oh shit!
You miss it?
Fuck! I just missed one too! So I'm gonna come in and get you. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. It's a nice one, Hai-chan. It's a nice one. Yeah, buddy.
Thank you. Finally
Yes.
got a fish. Thank
Yes. Oh, on the you got it on the collar too.
Yeah.
Yeah, big super pimp.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. On super pimp, guys. Woo. Yours, brother. Thank you, sir.
No worries, eh?
Thank you. I appreciate it. What?
Would you like a fish buck? I watch your YouTube channel.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Who caught this fish?
I just did just now.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. I'm from Windsor. I'm living in Toronto now.
Oh, nice. Thank
Yeah,
you.
I watch
Thank
you all
you.
the time.
Oh, yeah. That's awesome, bro. I was like, what? Just turned around. Did you see a fish? I was like, who the hell caught this fish? What are you doing? Donating it to me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I let one go, so I ended with 5. Now you replace that one. So, guys, that's why you come fishing on the shoreline. My buddy just sit there, hooked me up. He's got a hook set right now. Thank you, bro. This is fire.
This is tiny.
Yeah.
And it touches it.
Yeah, it just touches it.
Touch it, then it's a bite.
Yeah, I need a little thick. Just that's why I said, hey, hi, Chad. Hook sets are free.
Yeah.
The hook set is free. Oh, yes, hi, Chad. Yes,
Yeah, thank you.
good size.
Thank you.
Good size.
Yeah.
Here you go, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, on the super pimp still. You like that color?
Yeah.
It's good, eh?
Yeah. Look like today the fish like this color.
Yeah.
Washing the net free.
Awesome, awesome. Nice catch, hi, Chad. Oh my God, that one hit hard, so hard. That one hit me very hard. Oh my God.
Big one?
Oh, oh my God. Oh. Oh my God.
Finally got them fixed the fish.
Don't say nothing yet. I said, don't say nothing yet. I said,
Shut up.
keep it low. Keep it low. Yay! Yay! Hi, Chad, I got a limit. I got a limit. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Far fish.
Yeah.
What fish is that? What fish is that?
Walleye. Walleye. All right, guys. So there's my number 6. It's a big one. Yeah. Right there, all day, all day. Right, that right there, that Super Pimp is just an amazing, amazing color. You guys are gonna need to get a hold of that right there. That's a new color on Buckfish's list, and that is the result. That is the result right there. So finally got my limit, guys. Boom.
Far away.
Yeah, that was a far one, bro. And it took a lot of work. Thank you, Hi Chad.
Oh,
Thank you, thank you. Yay! Hey! Thank you. Oh yeah, it's beautiful today. It's beautiful. What are you talking about? You can take them for the rest of the way. I got 6. I can't even get no more. There you guys go. My first limit of 2024 on shore.